Here's a 2017 Toyota Land Cruiser. When you're a legend, you get to show off. This Land Cruiser is purposefully crafted with a rigid high-tensile steel ladder frame that's as solid as it looks, and a 5.7-liter V8 engine that can handle whatever tries to slow you down. With incredible cargo space, seating for 8, and a roof rack, nothing is left behind on any adventure. Four-wheel drive, an enhanced multi-terrain monitor, and the kinetic dynamic suspension system add a level of comfort to all the capabilities. This elegant machine is ready to serve with a smart key system, HomeLink, Entune audio with integrated navigation, Bluetooth, and heated and ventilated leather seats. Plus, it has a heated steering wheel, heated second-row seats, and 4-zone climate control. A long history of adventure led to this, the most elegant off-road monster you'll find. Stop in and test drive this Land Cruiser today.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.